wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best first aid kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Hikers worried about foot pain will appreciate that the General Medi Mini includes 11 moleskin pads in various shapes. It also provides common items for treating minor ailments like gauze, bandages and antiseptic pads, but there isn't a ton of space inside the case. It can clip onto a backpack and comes with a CPR face mask. However, it's not very well organized. At number 9, a basic set for general applications, the Johnson & Johnson Red Cross would serve as a nice addition to a vacation home or a college student's dorm room. It includes several packets of Neosporin and bandages in a variety of sizes. It comes with examination gloves and there are 2 sizes to choose from, but it's not an extensive selection. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Elastic bands within the carlebben EMT pouch hold the gear securely in place, and the molly patches on the outside allow you to attach it to a tactical vest or belt. For a compact bag, it offers plenty of room, and the emergency blanket is a nice touch. You can choose from black or tan, both with a 90-day money-back guarantee. However, the zipper is not very durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for first aid kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with more than 300 useful items and the ability to be mounted to a wall, the Be Smart Get Prepared is a good choice for a workplace or school. It'll prove handy in a minor emergency, and the weather-resistant case is good for use outdoors. It's got well-organized compartments and contains both dressings and medicine, but the dividers are quite flimsy. Moving up our list to number 6. A comprehensive survivalist kit is great, but sometimes you just need a few essentials for a last-minute activity. That's why the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 includes a 32-piece mini set, in addition to the 120-item main package. It's got a tough, water-resistant exterior too. It comes with powerful steel trauma shears and an emergency mylar blanket, and it's only 9 inches wide for easy storage. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Thrive Emergency Bag is effective in a range of settings, from the wilderness to the workplace. It's lightweight and portable and comes with nearly 300 items, including most of the supplies you'd want in a crisis. It features a reflective logo for visibility, deep inner pockets, and a first aid guidebook. At number 4, if you're planning on spending an extended amount of time in a remote area, the Adventure Medical Mountain series is a comprehensive solution. It can be used for dental repairs, illness treatment, and tending to wounds. It includes injury-specific pockets, fracture care materials, and highly organized fold-out panels. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the interesting deftget Essential comes with some uncommon but highly useful items, such as a hand-cranked flashlight and an accurate compass. And if you're unsatisfied with this kit in any way, you can return it for a full refund. It fits easily in a glove box and includes strong stainless steel scissors and a durable, corrosion-resistant bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for first aid kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the M2 Basic Survival provides the typical necessities such as bandages, tapes, gloves and safety pins, but also includes a CPR face mask, wooden finger splints and a portable blanket. Many of the compartments are labeled too. It also comes with MOLLE-compatible straps and useful sting relief pads. It opens flat for easy access. And taking the top spot on our list, the Protect Life Home holds an extensive assortment of supplies, from strong metal tools like tweezers and scissors to a raincoat and a whistle for outdoor crises. It offers several pockets of varying sizes for keeping everything organized. It includes an instant cold pack and is equipped with 2 sturdy carrying handles. It's a good choice for a small business. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for first aid kits, or simply click beneath this video.